Resources is one of the important criteria in research. If we see good research will come out through, I should say, our basic management principles like man, machine, materials, money, and management. That is his guide, right? So resources are required. In the Indian scenario, though government of India as well as state governments and universities are investing some money, it is not to that extent it is reaching to a research scholar, because so many projects are going to the reputed institutes, and local engineering colleges or state engineering colleges have this resources crunch. So when there is a resource crunch, then it is more likely that a research findings which are coming out through these projects or research may not be of that quality, and that will automatically impact the research publications. I would say that even journals who are actually publishing this research should try to make some modules for these researchers. In the sense, I would say there can be some short videos which are uploaded on the websites of the journals. Even some journals are going with the webinars on the regular basis, and they are inviting researchers to some sort of training in this area. So small videos can be there on the website itself, maybe 3 to 4 minutes videos on each of the smaller topics, so that academic writing and research output and quality can be enhanced.